Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to take photos with the help of your Reolink E340 camera. Let's get started. And for that, you will need to go in this Reolink application and make sure that your camera is connected to this app. And right here in the camera section, you would be able to see the live footage which your camera recorded. You just need to tap it like that. Here you can also pause this footage, you can play it again, and you can see everything what is going on in the view of your camera. So to take a photo, you will need to click this camera icon and the photo will be taken immediately. You can also see this button to share this photo with any application and so on, and it will be immediately saved to your gallery. Let me show you this once more. So just tap this icon and the photo will be saved. So let me just show you how this will look. So it is immediately saved to your gallery like that. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.